Today we're going to be talking about how to multiply binomials. A binomial is something like this. It has two terms, a plus b. Now, how do we multiply binomials? Well, first, let's set 3x plus 7, which is this left factor over here, to a. Let's set a to be equal to 3x plus 7, which is this factor over here. Now we have a times 4x plus 9. And obviously, you're going to use the distributive property to distribute the a. And then you can substitute back the 3x plus 7, then distribute it again. And then you get 12x squared plus 28x plus 27x plus 63. Which then you can simplify to 12x squared plus 55x plus 63. How awesome. Now, let's make a general expression to represent this once we open it up. So let's do the same thing we just did. Set x equal to a plus b, distribute the x amongst c and d, substitute back the a plus b, and then distribute again. And you'll find that we end up with AC plus BC plus AD plus BD. So basically, I color-coded it, but the AC is A times C, and you'll have B times C, and you also have A times D, and B times D. So that is the general formula for, multiplying binomials. Now, let's use this in some context. Let's figure this out. See if you can do this on your own. If you can't, then follow on through the video. We'll use the formula, and first AC should be 2A times 3E, and BC should be 7G times 3E. AD should be 2A times negative 9y. BD shall be 7g times negative 9y. We add these together and we get 6ae plus 21ge minus 18ay minus 63gy. So now we have the resulting expression we get from opening this up. Now, let's use this to solve for this. And you might be familiar with this. You would know that this is actually how you could represent the difference of squares. It would obviously be 49 minus 4a squared. So now let's see if this is actually true by using what we've just learned. So AC would be 7 times 7, which is 49. BC would be 2a times 7, which is 14a. AD should be 7 times negative 2a, which is negative 14a. And BD should be 2a times negative 2a, which is negative 4a squared. Now we can, obviously, 14a minus 14a is 0. So we can just cross these out because they equal 0. And now we are left with 49 minus 4a squared, which is 7 squared minus 2a in parentheses squared. So we have proved that the difference of squares is true, and you can see exactly why. Because in this, we have 7 times negative 2a and 7 times positive 2a. And once you add those two things together, they're going to equal 0. And so all you're left with is this squared, and this is going to be the same. And you're going to have this multiplied by each other. Normally, you would ignore this minus sign, it would just become a square. But since you have this negative sign in here, it's going to be minus this squared number. And so that is why you have the difference of squares. Hope you learned something today. I hope you learned how to multiply binomials because that was the purpose of this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see more. Bye!